What's up? Thanks for tuning back in and riding with your boy. I appreciate the love and the support. Please, I want you guys to go ahead and like, share, subscribe to this channel. Last video I did, I posted me repairing my rims that I got. This video, I'm going to show you the process that I'm doing to paint them. And that's pretty much it. Short and sweet, simple. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. This is our primed rim that we shot with the primer. We're about to go ahead and grab some 400 grit sandpaper and just start making the surface smooth. So what I've done was I've torn off the piece I'm going to use. Actually, just going to start sanding the uneven spots until it's smooth all the way around. If the spots are already smooth prior, then you don't got to sand it. What you want to do is just feel for the uneven places and hit that with the sandpaper. Alright, so I went ahead and sanded everything down with the 400 grit. Took my my towel, with my alcohol on it, just to kind of pass through the areas that I touched to get all the little dust particles off. What you want to do, just painting one-on-one light coats. Let that dry for a little bit and repeat. Alright, this is about 2 coats. So now what I'm going to do is pretty much apply a medium wet coating on it, nice and even, and just keep moving nice and slow so it doesn't build up in one spot. That's how you get runs. So let me just show you pretty much what I'm going to be doing all the way through. So you catch it. Let me just do it on this spot right here. Pretty much that all the way through. Alright, so this is with the final coat. It's drying right now. So once it dries, we're gonna put the clear coat on there. Alright, this is the gloss I put on there. It's drying now. So I'm just gonna show you the final product as it's drying. I'll show you one of the other 3 rims. This is a paint that I used, and then this is the gloss that I used. The gloss. Here we go. So, all right. So here's the final product. I'll touch that up. There's 2 right here. This is working. That's the second one. This is the very first one I did. I fucked it up. I had to strip it down. I re-primed it, so I'm just letting it dry. I'm about to sand it down. And then this is the third one. I just put the gloss on it, so it's drying right now.